GST. Its implementation shook the country as much as the song that came with it. The entire country was 6% more expensive. Malaysian consumer confidence were at its lowest in 10 years. In other words, Malaysians were really stressed out. Sentiments were lower than low. Consumers were trying to spend less and less. Another credit card was the last thing they needed. It was the worst time to relaunch our Petronas co-branded credit card. So how could we convince Malaysians to sign up for a CIMB credit card when they were trying to spend less? First, we offered them a 7% cashback benefit that was hard to resist. Then, we got them to sing along to a song. No, not the GST song, but a catchy tune with Malaysians' favorite YouTube sensation, Elizabeth Tan. Within weeks, we received an overwhelming response from the consumers. Malaysians found a way to de-stress, and a new wave of positivity took over. The best part? CIMB Petronas credit card acquisition increased by a whopping 400%. Who said a bank has to be conventional?